My name's Naomi Anderson, and I just started coming 2 weeks ago. Well, I'm thinning on the top slightly, and my hairdresser said she knew someone that came here, and that popped in my head, and I thought, well, I'm going to check it out. Oh my gosh, amazing. She was so inviting and explained everything to me so that I wasn't uncomfortable, because I'm always a little shy about having that thinning on the top. She's a bubbly person. It's just amazing. She made me feel comfortable. Well, she happened to have a wig, which has now been replaced, that matched my hair color and everything. So I got to walk out with the gorgeous hairpiece. I feel so much more confident. I don't feel like someone's looking at, the thin spot on my hair. It's amazing. Well, I don't work anymore. I take care of my grandchildren, and my husband's just been calling me beautiful. And my daughters love it because I wanted that transformation. I mean, it was, the gal told me that she saw a hairpiece that she even considered. So I got right on Google and looked her up, and they gave me an appointment right away. Wonderful. She's got a beautiful building here, I noticed, and everyone's so welcoming and friendly, and it was great. We came into this room here that we're near, and yeah, we talked about everything. It's really neat. I did at one time buy a wig, and you could tell that it was a wig. It just wasn't me. But this one is a lot like my own hair, and it styles real nice. It's a transforming feeling for me. It's almost like I feel like a different person. I mean, I've always been self-conscious about that, and I've tried doing different things with it, the hair fiber and stuff. I think it's just the best thing to do. Do it. It's well worth it. I feel like I'm me again, like I was, 20 years ago. Coming here has been so amazing. You need to try it. It's the best thing to do. I feel like a new me.